Welcome to your new home in Caldwell, Idaho on 0.38 acres. Yes, you can still buy a home with a decent lot size. This place has everything you need. The living room is huge, perfect for family hangouts, movie nights, or epic forts. But the real showstopper? The backyard. As President Donald Trump would say, it's huge, perfect for cookouts, kids' playtime, or just lounging around. You could finally start that backyard farm you've always joked about.
Not just big, it's...
Alright guys, so my name is Cameron LaTulip. This house behind me is 411 Bisque Drive out in Caldwell, Idaho. If you want more information or to see this home in person, contact me in the links below. You'll find my contact information there. 7 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, massive backyard, and tons of open living space. I have tons to show you today, but first, let's look at this kitchen. Look how much counter space you have to work with. I mean, you have a prep table there, center island here for prep. Plenty of cooks in the kitchen would be okay in this scenario. Maybe you're moving because you just don't have enough cabinet space in your current home. That is not an issue here. As you can see, plenty of cabinet space. Where do you put all that stuff? Well, you don't have to wonder here because that was only half of the cabinets in this kitchen. We have a whole nother side here of the kitchen where you can keep all of that junk. I'll be a little bit vulnerable with you. I'm one of those people that has a little bit of FOMO. I don't want to miss out on the game and I don't want to miss the conversation that's happening in the kitchen. So this is a great floor plan because while I'm watching the game here in the living room, I can also still be a part of the conversation in the kitchen because of just this open floor plan. And I'll be honest, the massive tall ceilings definitely help a bit to just make this space feel super inviting, super open, really cool place to hang out. This living room is absolutely massive. Clark Griswold, if you're watching, your Christmas tree will absolutely fit in this living room.
There it is. It's going in our living room.
I get it, maybe the living room isn't that big, maybe I'm exaggerating. Well, the master bedroom is equally as large. Let's take a look. This room is seriously massive. I mean, look around. I mean, I'm just thinking of Owen Wilson here.
Wow.
I don't know how much room do you need in the master bedroom, but this definitely has it.
Wow.
I mean, they've got a couch in here for dang sake. As you come through, double vanity in the bathroom, huge soaker tub, walk-in shower. This opens up to a pretty large walk-in closet. Whatever you need a huge master bedroom for, I mean, this has the space. We're gonna go upstairs, but just as we're going up, full bath and shower right here. This is technically an office, but there's a closet, so you could easily convert it to a 6-bedroom. On this side of the skywalk, we have 1 bedroom here, another bedroom over here. Just take a quick look. This bedroom in the front has a walk-in closet, and it's also a very large bedroom. As I said, guys, 2 bedrooms on this side. Utility has its own sink, bathroom, bedroom. Let's go look at the bonus. You always need a space to kind of get away or separate yourself. And this has plenty of space to hang out or have the boys up here. What I honestly picture for this room is like a Mario Kart or Super Smash Bros. On the Nintendo Switch. I mean, yeah, and it's actually perfect because it's just, I mean, you got the window there, you have a separate closet here. So if you needed the space, you could easily use this room as a set. As you come out of the bonus, we have another bathroom and 2 more bedrooms. Now these 2 bedrooms are a little bit on the smaller side, like your typical 10 by 10 rooms, but still 2 more bedrooms on top of this already huge house. And something I didn't really highlight is this space right here. Like, I mean, you need a homework area for your kids, like set up a couple desks right here. Great extra space, good spot. Regulation volleyball volleyball court is 30 feet by 60 feet. It's hard to find the backyard with that much space and room for like the stakes and all that stuff. You don't have that issue here. There is absolutely plenty of room, and I'll set up a net to show you guys. How many backyards have you seen where you have room for the full court and still room for your loved ones, your friends to kind of set up chairs, watch the game? So, not too bad. Service. That was out of bounds. I just wanted to show you the sheer size of this house. I mean, I don't know if I can even throw the ball to you. Ugh. Oh, maybe. But I got a cannon of an arm. I've been talking to my wife for years about getting a riding lawnmower, but I don't have the yard to justify it. Well, you can definitely justify it with this one. If you're the type where you want to keep your garage clear of all the lawn stuff so that you can have room for your toys, for your workbench, all that kind of stuff, I mean, there you go. It's already set up. It's not going to get in the way of your volleyball court or any of your backyard fun. It's just nice, tucked in the corner, ready to go. Something that's always been important to me about the homes that I own is I want to really present it well from the front to my neighbors, to my guests coming over, and you have that with this house. I mean, you have your hanging baskets on the front garage here, mature trees, lawn looks great. I do love the way this home looks from the front. How about you? What's great about the location of this home is that you're about 10 minutes away from downtown Caldwell, specifically Indian Creek Plaza, which is a really cool place to hang out. Some of you locals may know, but if you aren't familiar, Caldwell's really up and coming. Right behind me is the bandstand, so they'll have, I think it's on Thursday nights, they'll have bands come out, play live music. And there is a splash pad for the kiddos as we get into the more thick of summer and it's hot. We're just surrounded by a ton of cool shops and restaurants, coffee shops, like the Flying M is over there. Extreme Pizza is a really delicious place to hang out. Mesquite Creek Outfitters, again, just another cool shop to go check out, and frozen yogurt. There's so many fun things to do here in Indian Creek Plaza, and you're only like maybe less than 10 minutes drive. If you want more information or to see this home in person, contact me in the links below. You'll find my contact information there.